Kanchan Kumari alias Kamal Bhavi was found strangulated, found murdered. It had led to a lot of shockwaves as well, but sadly also justification, remember, that had come in from the Akal Takht. But now, with the investigation into the murder, apart from the autopsy that had said that she was strangulated, but could there be perhaps much worse of revelations coming in? We are told that there were some suspicious marks found near the private parts of the body. Now, remember that she was a controversial one, as was considered, because of some of the songs that she had made. And the murderers believed that these were vulgar, obscene songs. But does it give anyone the right to be able to go and kill a young woman? There have been radical Sikh groups who are suspected to be behind this attack. There have been some Nihangs who've been suspected to be behind this attack. All of this is part of investigation. But sadly, it's a reminder, because this is the second one that has come in. One was from Haryana, now from one in Punjab. Women influencers are being found dead. And this raises a question. There have been, remember, many other influencers, especially men, who are resorting to guns, drugs and other means to be able to put out music videos and their videos on Instagram and more. And there are a lot of issues that pertain to the community that must be picked on. However, the murder of a young woman, an influencer, even if considered controversial, has raised issues of moral policing, of religious radicalization, and a question mark. Does the valor come in by simply attacking and murdering a woman to death? Now, what has happened in this case is that the incident happened a few days ago. But now, with the suspicious marks near private parts, is raising a question if sexual assault also happened. So it seems it wasn't just the Akal Takht justification when it was said nothing wrong in the murder for the obscenity and the vulgar songs. Sadly, now it appears, did the Punjab Women Panel Chief also make a similar comment? The Women Panel Chief, the one who's supposed to be standing up for women, especially in cases like this when they could be murdered, she spread vulgarity and nudity. What is happening? You would expect at least a Women Panel Chief to be able to be more empathetic, understanding and sensitive. And after the Akal Takht Chief, now it appears that a Women Panel Chief says, but she was spreading vulgarity and nudity. Does that mean you can go kill a woman? And why is the onus of vulgarity that could lead to murder only on women? Why aren't men facing similar issues as well? Aman Bhardwaj joins me for the latest on that. Aman, tell me more about the Women Panel Chief, and why would she say that this influencer was spreading vulgarity and obscenity? The fact that she's been murdered should have been the concern.
मर्डर, मोरालिटी और फ्री स्पीच, ये तीनों जुड़ते हैं बठिंडा की कमल कौर की हत्या के मामले में, जो निहंग की वेशभूषा में लोग थे, क्रिमिनल्स थे, उनकी ओर से की गई। वुमेन कमीशन इसको कैसे देखता है? लाली गिल जी हमारे साथ है, वुमेन कमीशन के चेयरपर्सन। मैम, आप लेटर लिख रहे हैं जो सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं उनको लेकर।
पहले तो हम जरा मुद्दा डिस्कस कर लें कि ये जो जिस तरह के कंटेंट इस टाइम पे सोशल मीडिया पे चल रहा है, जो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स डाल रहे हैं, इतनी शर्मनाक है कि उसके ऊपर बच्चों के ऊपर क्या असर पड़ रहा है। आजकल मोबाइल जो है ये 5 साल से लेके 85, 80 जो भी एज एल्डर्स की, वहां तक सब लोग पढ़ते हैं, सब लोग देखते हैं। तो जो मेरे ध्यान में आई है बात कि इवन बच्चे टीनेजर्स जो हैं ये इसको इमिटेट करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो ये क्या हमारा कल्चर खराब नहीं हो रहा है? क्या हमारा समाज और छोटे बच्चों का उनके ऊपर इस तरह का बुरा असर पड़ रहा है? वो हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा सारा? तो ये सब जो है मेरे हिसाब से ये सारा खत्म होना चाहिए। अगर हम अपना एक रेगुलेट करते हैं, साइबर लॉज रेगुलेट करते हैं, इंटरनेट पे क्या पड़ रहा है उसको रेगुलेट करते हैं, वो करना चाहिए। अगर हम पोर्नोग्राफिक साइट्स बंद कर सकते हैं, अगर हम बंद कर सकते हैं कि हथियार नहीं दिखाएंगे, अगर हम बंद कर सकते हैं कि ड्रग इशू नहीं वहां पे कोई लड़का दिखाएगा या कोई लड़की, दोनों में से ये सब बंद कर सकते, तो ये ऐसा जो कंटेंट इस टाइम पढ़ रहा है इनडिसेंसी है, बिल्कुल इसकी ज्यादा, ये क्यों नहीं बंद? ये भी तो ऑफ शूट ही है ना इन चीजों की, राइट? तो ये सब जो बंद होना चाहिए, इसके प्रोविजन भी है हमारे पास।
आईटी एक्ट और सेंसर बोर्ड इस पे रोक लगा सकते हैं?
रोक लगा सकता है। हमारे पास BNS 92 है, 294 है, 67 है, A, B. There are so many of them, right, with us.
So why they are not applicable in
That
Punjab?
is it. Not Punjab. It's all over. This is not the Punjab. Okay? These regulating things are done by the center government. इसको इंटरनेट पे ही रोक लगाई जाए इस चीज को, right? It's not the state to state कि पंजाब में नहीं दिखा सकते लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में.
Remember, it may be a valid point to introspect on the obscenity, vulgarity, teenagers being influenced on social media. But at a time when a woman is being murdered over this raises a completely different perspective. These are two different issues. And I wish and I was hopeful that a women panel chief would understand at this juncture. Let's listen in now to how this statement comes in after the Akal Takht chief also making a statement.
ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਜ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ਤਾ ਦਾ ਦਿਹਾੜਾ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਪਾਵਨ ਤਖਤ ਰਚਿਆ। ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲਚਰਤਾ ਭਰੇ ਗੀਤ ਤੇ ਗੰਦਗੀ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਉਪਦੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਮੋਹਨ ਇਹ ਸਾਕਤ ਨਾਦ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗੀਤ ਨੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਰਵਣਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਭਾਵ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਨੌਜਵਾਨੀ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ, ਹਿੰਦੂ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਤੇ ਸਮੁੱਚੇ ਵਰਗ ਦੇ ਨੌਜਵਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਗੰਦੇ ਗੀਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਨੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ। ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਲੋਕ ਕਾਰਜ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਧਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਨਾਮ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੌਮ ਨੂੰ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਭਾਈ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ।
Sure, introspection is needed over if there's obscenity, vulgarity on social media and among influencers. Murder definitely is neither needed and shouldn't be justified either. We'll be tracking big on the story about what exactly is happening, why are the institutions focusing not on the murder of a woman but on what's unfolding simply on social media. So that's the big news that we are staying on. Remember, at this juncture, Women Panel Chief raises a question many would consider are important. As Aman Bhardwaj joins me, Aman, the introspection I understand. Many have raised it earlier as well, but a woman panel chief would rather focus on the murder of young women, the pressure it puts on simply the women on social media, not as much the men.
Exactly, Pooja, and from last 3 to 4 years, the same female influencers, whether it was Kamal Kaur or Deepika Luthra or Amritsar, they were getting threats. And you see, Women Commission has not acted anywhere. They did not serve the notice to the persons who were giving threat. They did not serve the notice to the influencers either if they were creating any vulgarity or such contents that was objectionable. So Women Commission should have intervened so that any murder or such activity could have been avoided or should have been refrained from. But you see, Women Commission is now just covering up with the things, and they say we can't send up police to every house, to every social media influencers. They spread vulgarity. They earn money by spreading such vulgarity and nudity. So this sort of statements is not Women Commission is supposed to give. And also they talk about women empowerment. So what if the women, the females who were social media influencers, and they were earning they were running their kitchen, they were earning by social media accounts. So where comes the woman empowerment? Even the Women Commission does not find any woman empowerment in such social media influencers or accounts. They only finds to create or safeguard themselves because they did not serve any notice to such threat giving people or criminals who are in outfits of Nihang. So they where they should have acted. Now they are writing letter to Prime Minister and Chief Minister to ban this global social media accounts from Punjab or wide nation.
And if there is any sort of offensive content, there are laws to take care of it, to consider it. That doesn't happen. Someone just gets offended and goes and kills a person, and it turns out in the past few weeks it's only been a woman. Sadly, the Women Panel Chief focusing more on the obscenity rather than the murder.